Hello children. Today I am going to tell you a story of the giving tree. I am sure you will like the story. So let's begin. The name of the story is The Giving Tree. Once there was a little boy who would always run to the tree right after his school. The boy shared everything with the tree. He liked to eat the apples, sit under the tree and study. He liked to jump on the branches and slide down too. They both loved each other very much, and the tree always waited for the boy. Many years passed, and the little boy had grown into a young man. He had become very busy and would not come to visit the tree regularly. One day, the boy came crying to the tree, and the tree felt very sad. It asked the boy what had happened. The boy said, "I need money." So the tree readily said, "Sell my apples, dear, and get the money." The boy gathered the apples and went away. Again, after a few days, the boy came to the tree. The boy looked sad this time too. So the tree asked him, why was he sad? The boy said he wanted to build a house to keep himself warm. So the tree said, "Cut my branches, dear, and make your house." So the boy cut the branches and made a nice wooden house. Then, after a long time again, the boy came to the tree and said, "I need to go fishing, but I do not have a boat." So the tree said, "Cut my trunk, dear, and make a boat." So the boy happily cut the trunk of the tree and made a boat. Now, the boy had become very old. He came to the tree and was very sad. The tree told him that he cannot give him anything now. All its fruits, branches, leaves, trunk are all gone. The boy said, "Now I am very old and tired. I just need a place to sit and rest." So the tree said, "Sit on my stump, dear." The boy then felt that he had just asked everything from the tree, and the tree had given him everything. But he had not given anything to the tree. But still, the tree was happy. So children, we should be like this tree, always ready to give. The moral that we learn from this story is, we should always give and not expect anything from others, because the more we give, the more we will get from others. I hope you all liked the story. Thank you, children, and have a good day ahead. Bye bye.